If you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure you're well aware of what phishing emails are. You probably may have received some before. That's why the point of this video is not to teach you on what phishing emails are, but rather to remind you that phishing emails are real and that you can get them anytime and why you need to always be careful. Now, I woke up this morning and just like any normal human being, I checked my email and I got this one from SiteGround, warning me that one of my domains was going to expire in 3 days. Now, me receiving this email, there is nothing strange here at all because I actually do use SiteGround. I buy all my domain names from SiteGround. And the thing is, a few weeks ago, I did get an email from them warning me that a few of my domains were going to expire. And I was like, okay, I'll pay later. So when I saw this in my inbox, I thought, yeah, this is just a gentle reminder from SiteGround urging me to renew my subscription. Now, when I opened the email, thankfully, I have become very, very paranoid when it comes to clicking on links in emails, especially links that are asking me to take some sort of personal action. So links asking me to check my account, make some sort of payment. I have become so paranoid, I will always make sure that it's not a phishing email. So the first thing I did when I got this email was to hover on the SiteGround name up here. And as you can see, it goes to some fake random server called mail@server.kfo-gliding.de. I'm guessing this is maybe some sort of web server based in Germany because of the .de, I'm guessing. So right then and there, I knew, okay, this is actually fake. This is a phishing email. But not just that, right? When you look at the actual structure of the contents of the email, it is very, very disorganized, right? You can see the logo is a bit more to the right, the title is a bit more to the left, and then the text is further to the left, and then the payment button is again aligned more to the right. Like, it isn't structured, it isn't organized. When you get real emails like this from actual real companies, the way the contents of the email will be structured, it's going to be well organized. Everything is going to be aligned perfectly. This right here was completely disorganized, and I just immediately knew that, okay, this is a phishing email. But the point here is this. I am used to checking links in emails. I have trained myself to do that almost to a paranoid extent. But for most people out there, when they see these kinds of emails, and especially from a company that they actually use, they're not going to think twice. Like, they will just go ahead and click on payment and then end up becoming a victim of a phishing attack. So this is just a gentle reminder that even though I'm pretty sure you've heard of phishing emails before, you've told yourself, okay, be careful and all that, just keep in mind that you can fall victim at any time because your mind at the time when you receive this kind of email may be somewhere else. You may be in a very, very, very good mood. You might be in a rush to get something done. So when you see the email, you're like, okay, let me just make payment real quick and all that. So it's very, very, very easy to fall victim to these kinds of attacks. Many victims of phishing attacks, it's not that they've never heard of phishing attacks before. They know what phishing attacks are, but because the time when they got that particular phishing email, they were not in the right mindset. So this video is just a gentle reminder to please always be very, very careful whenever you're being asked to click on links in emails. Again, not all links are bad. Like any link asking you to visit like a blog or check out like a new article or check out a new product, those are perfectly fine. I won't even think twice. I'll go ahead and click on the link. However, any kinds of links asking me to take some sort of personal action like checking my own account or reviewing some sort of payment or make a payment, those kinds of actions, that's when the alarms will be triggered in my brain. And of course, I'll go ahead and make sure that it's not an actual phishing email. So that's the point of today's video. Please just be very, very, very careful. Whenever you receive emails like this, double check, make sure it's not a phishing email. Do not become the victim of a phishing attack. Stay safe out there. Cheers.